So, no head. This is Miata 1.8 head. It's got a rebuild on it, yada yada yada. And I got this from a friend, but I'm not sure of the whole rebuild situation. Honestly, it looks like it needs to be cleaned again. So, probably have it cleaned, checked over the clearances and everything like that, just to be sure it's good. Leak down test, stuff like that, before I throw it in the Miata. Basically, if you haven't seen the leak down test video, did a leak down test on cylinder 4. It was bad. It was horrible. I put it in 90 psi. I got like 10 back, so horrible. And yeah, so I scored the head from a friend, and yeah, it's time to start doing some stuff. So we're gonna go to the machine shop, drop that off, and then we'll kind of get on with some more of this video and kind of, you know, what my plans are, what we're doing here. I've got the stocks back on because drift event's coming up, and those are going to be the ones that I'm running. The other tires are just really bad. They're cut real bad. They're wobbling. So anyway, I've got those Daisy sets. I've got another set of Miss Daisy wheels sitting up over there. Here's the 15s, so if I need to throw those back on, like if I run through both sets of tires, then I'll do that. But another thing we're doing, you know, unbox this. So once I get back, we're gonna unbox the new jack, and I'm actually happy. Basically why I got a jack was I got one for work, and you know, I've been using it for a while. There's nothing wrong with it. What's wrong is that I got to take it out, you know, every single time I want to use it, and it's just a pain in my butt. So I'm gonna leave this new one in the car. So new year, new jack. But yeah, anyway, so let's go ahead to this machine shop and get ready to get this head checked out and inspected. There's gonna be a lot of machine work being done. A lot of things are gonna get done before the 18th here. So let's close this up. I'm staying motivated. I hope you guys are enjoying kind of, you know, the content, the build, everything that's going on with it. But we are doing some drift mods and things like that. Some things have to get done before the event, just because once I'm out there, I don't want it to be breaking up. I mean, the Miata's slow enough as is, and if I can't get it to, you know, get up in the RPM band without breaking up, then that might be an issue. But also I've got an open diff, so that's going to be another issue, and we will be handling that soon in one of these upcoming videos. But let's like I said, let's head to the machine shop now, and so we can start getting, you know, things ready for that. I do need to get the gasket set, the head gasket, thing like that, and any other gaskets or seals it looks like I might need. May need intake manifold gasket, might need an exhaust manifold gasket, things like that. Just because I'm taking them off and I don't know the condition of them, they may or not, you know, even be good. So they probably already leaking. Anyway, enough talking, enough jabbing. Let's just get on and go. You don't mind if I film, do you?
Oh no, you're good, man.
Cool. Yeah.
But yeah, no, I pull all this out, label all the buckets, put all the buckets back in the same hole. I'll give it a wash, do a leak down on it, and we'll go from there.
Okay. All right.
Let me get a tag, and I'll write down your name and number.
For sure.
That way I can.
About how long do you think it would? When I would get it back, basically.
If we're just cleaning it up and surfacing it, I'll have it back to you tomorrow afternoon.
Okay. Yeah.
If I need to go through it and do anything like valve job or anything like that, it'll probably be like 3 or 4 days.
Okay, and I guess I see now this is missing. I really haven't pulled this out of the bag yet, but I know it's missing some studs. That's okay, because I got some that I can get off my car now, so that'll be fine. Yeah. Yeah, I got spider web in there, you know, just a little. Yeah. All right. So, cool. Alright, so when you get your jack, I mean there's the instruction manual, whatever, but you'll kind of see this bar here. You'll just have to end up taking this out of here. So if you unscrew these out, you'll be able to slide this out and this will pop up. But right now it's in just basically transport mode or just a beginner mode, but the blue is really nice. I actually like this a lot over the orange. Beautiful.
Yeah, it doesn't have a shell though.
There it is. Shoot. Jack is looking good. It was a 13 mil, basically, to get those off. But yeah. So anyway, I'm actually going to the Orlando Roadsters meet. Whoops. There we go. I'm actually going to the Orlando Roadsters meet tonight. So I don't know if anybody's watching, if anybody will see this that is going there. Anyway, I'm gonna be there. I need to swap my 15s back just because, you know, the fitment gotta be decent on the way there. I didn't really realize that I'm gonna go. I thought I missed the event, but I didn't. So anyway, we're going to test out the new jack now, and I throw all this stuff away. So let me clear some of this out and then throw the jack up under there, get the rear lifted, and then we'll get the wheels on.